Hi everybody, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. I bought a new toy. So, just came today, I haven't touched it yet. It's in this box. And this came from somebody on Facebook Marketplace, from the Obsessed Garage group. So, get this opened up here. So, what I picked up is a flex charger. Should be the same as the one that I have, which is a 12/18. Looks hardly used. Still has the plastic on the screen. It's cool. And this guy. So this is the XFE15 5-inch polisher. This person said that it was hardly used. I don't know why it was hardly used. I didn't really ask. It was a good price. $300 for this, and they're like $450 to $500 online. So I got an XFE15 that is really clean. I've got a couple different backing plates for it. This is a 6-inch. There's a 5-inch on here. Some smart pads. Here's another backing plate. This is a that's a 6-inch as well. So we've got the 5-inch on there. And then, yeah, the unit looks pretty clean. There's a little bit of polish here and there, but it's overall pretty nice. Yeah, looks legit. I got 2 battery packs with it. Sweet. So that one works. It's like 3/4 of the way full. Sweet. So yeah, XFE15. So what that means is I now have a cordless 5-inch, a cordless 3-inch, and a cordless nano, which means I'm probably going to sell my corded units. I think that the cordless is just for as often as I use them and what I'm doing with them. I think that the cordless is more than enough in terms of power and convenience. I think it's better in convenience. So yeah, this one looks really good. So we'll put that in the cabinet. We'll get these batteries on the charger, and I'll do a video here shortly. I want to correct the paint on the Mercedes, which I haven't done. I did it once when I got it, so definitely some room for improvement on the Mercedes paints. So my thought is that I can use my new tools, my 5-inch, my 3-inch, and my nano to kind of go over the whole thing and give you guys a review of all of them and you know, show you what they're all about. I think they're pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.